The OnePlus 13T 5G is a powerhouse smartphone that combines flagship performance with sleek design. It features a stunning 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals, ideal for gaming and media consumption. Under the hood, it is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring lightning-fast performance and efficient multitasking. The device boasts a versatile triple rear camera setup, headlined by a 50MP main sensor tuned by Hasselblad for professional-level photography, along with a 32MP front camera for sharp and detailed selfies. The 5,500 mAh battery supports 100W SuperVOOC fast charging, allowing users to fully charge their phone in under 30 minutes. With up to 16GB RAM and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage, the OnePlus 13T 5G delivers top-tier specs for power users. Running on Oxygen OS 14 based on Android 14, and with full support for global 5G bands, this smartphone is built for speed, style, and seamless connectivity, making it one of the most anticipated Android flagships of 2025.